welcome to another episode of the Mortgage Masters Busting Mortgage Myths. I'm Jason.
I'm Kyle.
And we're going to talk about self-employed. Kyle, I get this a lot. Are you required to be self-employed for 2 years?
No, that's generally going to be the rule for most agency loans when we're talking about FHA, VA, conventional, your cookie cutter loans. The general guidelines say that they generally want a 2-year work history, but there absolutely are cases where we can get the loan done when you have less than a 2-year work history.
And the way that works, folks, is basically you can do 1 year of self-employed if you've worked in a similar or the same line of work, basically. And this works for, just like Kyle was talking about, your VA, your FHA, and your conventional. To elaborate more, it works with your Freddie Mac and your Fannie Mae, which are your conventional ones. It's kind of a myth, too, that we all don't follow the same guidelines. We do. The basis and roots of our guidelines are the same. But of course, not all lenders are created equal. Some of these other lenders out there have an overlay that require 2 years. They will not make the exception. But about 90% of the time, it's a loan officer who's either green, and trust me, I made every mistake on the planet to get me where I'm at today. And I'm proud of that, even though it sucked, okay? But a lot of lenders don't read the guidelines. They don't figure that out, I think it's very important as a lender when you're new to come in on a weekend. Read your guideline book with nobody else around. Read it 3 times, I'm telling you. But that, a lot of our turndowns we do are some of these where the loan officer probably could have done it at their company over there, or their manager didn't, it just said, nope, it's 2 years, and they didn't look, or their underwriter said, nope, it's 2 years, and they didn't look at the guidelines and try to build a case for that borrower. Because that's ultimately what you are. You're an attorney building a case to show that you are innocent and you should deserve to own a house, basically.
Absolutely.
And that's what this is. So another myth busted, I would say,
yep.
Right? Okay.